Wake up! They brainwashed you with the food pyramid, balanced diets, and innocent fruit. Pure ignorance. That fat stuck to your waist isn't yours. It's the result of following advice from people who don't understand how a female body works. Today, I'm taking the blindfold off, the 17 foods that will make you burn fat like crazy, and the list of healthy poisons that are making you fatter day by day. And one of them is a snack you probably consider forbidden on a diet. Which one could it be? Keep watching to discover these health and wellness secrets that the quick fix diet industry doesn't want you to know. Let's start transforming your plate and your body. Food. 1. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons. Imagine starting your day feeling full of energy and activating fat burning. Citrus fruits are vitamin C champions. Why does this matter? Because your body needs it to create carnitine, the molecule that, think of it as a taxi, carries fat to the power plant of your cells to be burned. More vitamin C, better fat taxis. Plus, their water and fiber fill you up with hardly any calories, a staple in your breakfast or as a snack to boost metabolism. Food 2. Nuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts. Think nuts make you fat? Common mistake. A small handful is a powerhouse of healthy fats, omega-3, and plant protein. This combination makes your body work harder to digest them. Thermogenic effect equals more calories burned. Plus, they stabilize blood sugar. Goodbye mid-afternoon cravings. About 20 grams a day is enough to support your weight loss and improve your overall well-being. Food 3. Popcorn, air-popped. Remember that forbidden snack? Here it is. Air-popped popcorn, no butter or oil, is an incredible whole grain. Low in calories, super high in fiber. The result? You feel super satisfied, the fiber keeps you full for hours, and it curbs that craving for something crunchy and salty. A secret and delicious weapon in your weight loss diet. Food. 4. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Small but mighty against abdominal fat. These gems are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. They help make your body more sensitive to insulin, controlling sugar better, and preventing it from being stored as fat, especially in the belly. Their natural sweetness is perfect for curbing cravings for sugary desserts. A healthy, fat-burning dessert. Food 5. Oats, whole grain. The breakfast of champions? Could be. Oats are a slow-release complex carbohydrate. They give you stable energy all morning, goodbye crashes, and their beta-glucans keep you full and regulate appetite. Prepared with water or skim milk, it's the perfect base to start the day focused on your weight loss tips. Food 6. Avocado. Fat that burns fat. Yes, you heard right. Avocado is full of healthy monounsaturated fats that tell your body, use fat as fuel. Plus, its fiber and vitamins keep you satisfied and energized. Add it to salads, toast. Revolutionize your concept of healthy fats. Food 7. Cayenne pepper. A spicy touch to ignite your metabolism? Absolutely. Capsaicin, which gives it the heat, increases thermogenesis. Your body slightly raises its temperature and burns extra calories. A pinch in your stews, soups, or even in warm water with lemon in the morning. A simple and potent trick. Food 8. Salmon. This fatty fish is a treasure trove of high-quality protein and omega-3s. Omega-3s aren't just good for the heart. They also reduce inflammation, key for weight loss, and improve insulin sensitivity. 2 servings a week can do wonders for your metabolism and help you burn abdominal fat. Okay, quick pause. Are you enjoying discovering these fat-burning foods? See how small changes on your plate can make a huge difference in your health and well-being? If so, give me a like. It helps YouTube show this video to more women looking for these weight loss tips. And if you don't want to miss the next nutrition secrets, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's continue with more allies. Food 9. Cinnamon. That aromatic brown powder is more powerful than you think. It helps control blood sugar levels after meals, preventing those spikes that make you store fat and feel cravings. Sprinkle it on your oatmeal, coffee, yogurt. a sweet touch that works in your favor. Food 10. Apples and pears. Crunchy, sweet, and your guardians against hunger. Their secret is pectin, a soluble fiber that forms a gel in your stomach, slowing digestion and keeping you full for much longer. The perfect snack between meals to avoid temptations. Food 11. Chicken, baked or grilled. Lean protein is essential. Skinless chicken gives you high-quality protein that helps maintain your muscle mass, important for an active metabolism, and requires more energy to digest. Include it in lunches and dinners to feel satisfied and support fat burning. Food 12. Spinach. Popeye knew what he was doing. These green leaves are low in calories but rich in iron, magnesium, and fiber. Essential nutrients for your muscles to work well and your body to burn fat efficiently. In salads, smoothies, sautéed. Fill your plate without guilt. Food 13. Whey protein. Ideal if you exercise. A shake after training helps repair your muscles quickly, and protein in general has a high thermogenic effect. Burns calories during digestion. Ensures optimal recovery and keeps your metabolism working. Food 14. Eggs, a champion breakfast. Eggs are inexpensive, versatile, and an incredible source of protein and choline, a nutrient that helps your body use fat. Eating eggs in the morning keeps you full for hours and helps control blood sugar throughout the day. Food 15. Beans and other legumes. Humble but powerful. Beans, lentils, chickpeas are an unbeatable combination of fiber and plant protein. They stabilize sugar, keep you full for a very long time, and feed the good bacteria in your gut, which is key for a healthy metabolism. A pillar of healthy eating. Food 16. Sweet potato. A sweet tuber in a weight loss diet? Yes. Sweet potatoes give you SLOW release complex carbs, stable energy without sugar spikes. Plus, their fiber fills you up and their antioxidants, especially in the purple ones, are a bonus for your health. Bake it with the skin on for maximum benefits. Food 17. Mustard. Final surprise. That pungent condiment activates thermogenesis thanks to certain compounds. A touch of mustard, look for low-sugar varieties, in your dressings or meats not only adds flavor but also gives your calorie burning a little boost. Incorporating these 17 fat-burning foods is a huge step. But if you want a more detailed guide with more weight loss tips, I've got something special for you. Down in the comments, I'm leaving a free resource I've prepared. Download it and discover how to take care of your health effectively. Remember, transforming your body starts on your plate. It's not about starving, but eating smart, choosing allies that work with you. Give your body the right tools with these foods for weight loss. Incorporate these foods, be consistent, and observe the changes. Your energy, your well-being, and your confidence will thank you. To keep discovering more about nutrition and health, watch this other video I'm leaving for you right here on the screen. It's the perfect complement to what you learned today. And if this video gave you valuable ideas and motivation, please give me a like. It helps this information reach more women who need these tips. Share this video with your friends, sisters, mother, with any woman who wants to feel better. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for joining me today. Start filling your plate with power, and I'll see you in the next video.